The CRKT Minimalist Bowie Knife 2387 delivers impressive cutting performance for its size, with a deep-bellied Bowie profile that handles camp chores, food prep, and light field dressing confidently. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade is easy to maintain and resharpen, making it a practical choice for regular outdoor use and everyday utility tasks. The contoured Micarta-style handle with pronounced finger grooves and fob offers a surprisingly secure, ergonomic grip, even when your hands are wet or gloved. A compact, form-fitting thermoplastic sheath with strong retention and multiple carry options lets you wear it as a neck knife or attach it to gear without worrying about it coming loose. Because the knife and sheath together are extremely lightweight, it disappears on your neck or belt until you actually need a capable fixed blade. Overall, this minimalist fixed blade balances portability, control, and durability so well that it feels more like a scaled-down full-size survival knife than a tiny backup tool.